Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw anxiety from inside out too. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more fun content. Begin by sketching anxiety with a pencil. Outline using light pencil strokes, as they are easier to adjust if needed. Applying too much pressure can leave marks that are difficult to erase. Once you're satisfied with the outline, you can use a bit more pressure. You don't need to sketch her hair with pencil. You can work on it later with colored pencils and markers. Next, use green and blue pencils to draw and color her eyes. Add depth to the eyes with gray pencil shadows. It's time to add some color. I start with a base tone, which helps create a smooth surface for layering additional colors. This technique not only sets the mood of the drawing, but also makes blending new colors much easier. For the area around her eyes, use a light brown marker as the base color. Color her face around the mouth with an orange marker. When using markers, always think about what texture you want to get. In our case, we want to achieve maximum uniformity. Therefore, it is better not to lift the marker off the paper, moving it smoothly. To put it simply, if you tear the tip off the paper, there will be a stroke. If you don't tear it off, there will be an even fill. If you move the marker in different directions, you get a chaotic fill. The paper is tinted unevenly. In some places, it is denser. In others, it is lighter. When the fill is completely dry, going over it again with a marker of the same color will darken the tone. This technique can be used to vary the shades. For her trousers, use a light brown marker. You can add shadows either with a brown marker or with a brown pencil. With a black Sharpie, color her mouth, making sure to leave her tooth white. Now let's create volume and play with shadows. Light typically falls from top to bottom, so keep the top lighter than the bottom. The area around the pupil should be darker because the eye is recessed into the socket. For the neck, which is in shadow, use a brown marker. Add shadow to the chin and along the contour of the lips. Use a black pen to add sharp accents where needed. For the sweater, use a gray marker to add shadows. Focus on areas like the armpits and under the arm to create depth. Add shine using orange, gray, and white pencils on her hair, clothes, and face. Remember, shadows are the most important thing. If for some reason you decide not to draw shadows, then the drawing will immediately lose its volume. Finally, use light gel pens for the final details and strokes. This will bring your drawing to life. Thanks for drawing with me today. Like this video, it helps my channel to grow. Subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this. By the way, I also make speed drawing videos. See you next time.